You've decided to sell your business. It's hard to even know where to start. I would like to help you through the process. The first step is deciding on the price to ask for your business. You should contact an accredited business valuator to assist with this. You've spent a lot of time building up a successful business and you want to make sure that you receive the most proceeds that you can, and also watch out for how much income tax you're paying on the transaction. I can help you with those types of things as I'm also a chartered professional accountant. A business isn't worth just the assets on its balance sheet. You need to think about the cash flows it's been generating, and the buyer's going to consider what is the risk that those cash flows are going to keep going after they purchase the business. It's important to get an outside opinion on what your business may be worth. Like many business owners, we've spent a lot of effort building this business, and we may see it as being more valuable because we have a lot of personal attachment to it. So you need someone that's more independent that can look at it just strictly from the cash flow perspective, as the buyer would be. It's important to know your asking price, but also to know your bottom line. The way you would look at that is to look at your balance sheet and decide, if I had to liquidate my business tomorrow, what would I get for these assets? So then we figure out I have to at least get this price for my shares to have been better off than to just close my doors tomorrow and sell off everything. An important point to consider is, will I sell the assets of my company, or will I be selling the shares if I'm an incorporated company? It would be helpful if you prepared a list of assets the company owns and your assessment of the value. As the seller, the most beneficial to you would be to sell the shares of your company if they qualify for the capital gains exemption, which an accountant can help you understand. A buyer would prefer to buy the assets of your company so they don't have to be concerned about any liabilities that'll arise. One asset that likely doesn't show on your balance sheet is, do I have goodwill inside my company? This is where it's worth more than just what's showing on the balance sheet as assets. I'm here to help you with that assessment. You need to consider what information you will provide to the potential buyer. It's very important that you have a non-disclosure agreement signed by this person before you forward to them any of your personal information on the business. This should be drawn up by a lawyer to make sure that it covers all the risks. You can expect they'll want to see 3 to 5 years of financial information and your most recent tax return. It's important when you're selling your business to have a team of professionals helping you. We can help you through the negotiations with the potential buyer and then the drafting of the legal agreements. To learn more or to contact me, please visit starkmarsh.com. I look forward to helping you.